Did you know that Nagaon is coming up as an epicenter for farm owners around NCR? A lot of people from Delhi and Gurgaon are investing into farm lands in gated communities that can later be developed into farmhouses. There are a few key reasons why Nagaon is becoming a preferred destination for farm owners. Here are a few reasons. First of all, the location is just 60 minutes from Gurgaon. Secondly, the location is coming up with multiple gated farm communities. This in turn will help build the entire ecosystem in this area. Thirdly, there are major infrastructural changes happening in Nagaon, which will drastically improve the connectivity. Fourth reason is the fact that the water quality is good for residential use. Fifth reason is that the demographics are favorable, having majority Hindu population. Sixth reason is that it is well connected via Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, which in itself is a pleasurable drive. With brands like Costa Coffee, McDonald's, Domino's, Pizza Hut, and many more already operational on Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, just minutes from Nagaon, the ecosystem is already making headway. Seventh reason is the fact that in times to come, these gated farms will become monetizable assets through short-term and long-term rentals like renting them on Airbnb. Eighth reason is that Nagaon is surrounded by the Aravali Hills making it picturesque, while you can have the views of Aravali Hills from your personal farm. Ninth reason is that in Nagaon you can legally own and build your farm on smaller land parcels as small as 1500 square yards to 3000 yards. Last but not the least reason is that the prices are still affordable. With all the changes that are planned in this area, the prices of land are likely to double in the next 1 year, and the best part that these are 100% legal. If you haven't yet explored Nagaon as a destination, you must visit to experience what is happening here.